1/2 kilo of all-purpose flour, 1/2 kilo of buttermilk, 2 cups of water, 397 grams of evaporated milk, 380 grams of condensed milk, 1/2 butter stick, 50 grams of baking powder, 4 eggs, mix the flour and the buttermilk thoroughly to remove the lumps. Then, mix it together. You can also add already the baking powder if you wanted to. Now let us add water. Then add the evaporated milk and condensed milk. Now mix using a hand mixer. Remember, mix it properly. For me, it's time to add the baking powder and the eggs. Then mix. For the best way of adding and mixing the butter must be mixed and wet, like on what I do. Now mix it until the butter melts. Well mix. In this part, we will put our mixed ingredients. in a round pan or any pan, but make sure that the pan can be used in steaming. Put gently in the pan. Now we will replace them in our steamer. Before we replace them, compress them first by shaking. And also the other one. Our boiled water in the steamer must be preheated before steaming. After 30 minutes of cooking, we will checking out our steamed cake by using a toothpick to see our cake if it is well steamed enough. After 30 minutes of steaming, change the placement. The one on the top will replace down and the one below will replace on the top. After another 30 minutes of steaming, the base of our Yema cake is done. Let us make the Yema. 2 or 3 cans that equivalent to 380 grams of condensed milk, also based on the size of the cake. 1/2 butter stick. 3 eggs. Just add all the ingredients. Just mix it properly. Now, the Yema must be boiled until viscous. In slow fire, gently stir the Yema. And this must be the texture. Now, it's time to remove the cake from the pan and transfer it first in a huge plate. and then remove the parchment paper. Just repeat the same way. First, let us add fillings in the middle. Put the yema on the top and wait to spread by its own. After it, decorate it using cheese.